Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can get a Dragon Orb and how to use it. So for that you'll have to launch the game, and in the main menu you'll have to go to Come Forth, and then you'll have to summon Shenron. So after summoning Shenron, what you'll have to do is you'll have to press RB or LB and go to the other page, and you'll have to select this option. I want to complete an episode battle. So when you ask for this, it will give you a Dragon Orb, as you can see, new rewards Dragon Orb. And now we will go to our episode battle menu and select an episode that we can use this Dragon Orb on. So let's go to episode and custom episode battle. From here we'll go to story map, and we can only use our Dragon Orb in the alternate pathways. As you can see, if we go to any other pathway, we cannot use, like if you want to use this on Redis, as you can see at the bottom, we don't have the option to use the orb. And if you come to this alternate pathway, as you can see, you will be able to use the orb. As you can see, if you press the 3 bars button at the bottom, use orb, so this will come up, use a Dragon Orb for this battle. This will lower the difficulty of the secondary clear condition. Like to trigger the alternate battle, you need to complete a secondary clear condition. So using Dragon Orb will lower the difficulty of it. So simply press confirm and you will be able to use it. So that was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.